Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to be in this range down there. As you will remember from previous videos, if you've watched them, we're still watching if Bitcoin can give us another low. That would be our base case, our primary scenario, our thesis here, to get one more low to round about 24K, maybe 23K. There's a lot of liquidity in that region. So at the moment, we're watching for Bitcoin to complete this wave 4 correction, which seems like a bearish pennant, just like a triangle structure, which is unfolding here, characterized by lower highs and higher lows, as explained in the last videos. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see that Bitcoin, even though it could have bottomed here technically, I explained that in the last videos time and time again, could have bottomed here in a WXY structure on the 17th of August and could potentially rally from here. There is currently no evidence. So we don't really need to focus on that scenario without any further evidence. Evidence would be a 5-wave move through 27,720, but we have no signs of that. So as already explained in the previous videos, we either deal here with an ABCDE Elliott Wave triangle, where the E wave is still unfolding, maybe just now. And however, if we break already below 25,800, then we can make the case that the wave 4 already finished here in what is highlighted in white, a WXY correction. They're just two different types of corrections, either a triangle or a WXY. To be honest, it doesn't really matter which one it is, because in both scenarios we are looking for lower prices. If it is an Elliott Wave triangle, then we are either still working on the D wave or already on the E wave. We don't know that at this stage because, the D wave could be complete. Let's just draw the fib extensions. So we draw them from the beginning of the B wave, the triangle B wave, measure the length of the D wave, and you can see it landed in the region between the 38.2 extension and the 61.8 extension. That's typically the ideal target for a D wave. So the expectation would be somewhere here, ideally, for it to turn around and to start that E wave. In an E wave, we would be looking at targets, between the 61.8 extension and the 38.2 extension of the C wave. Now, again, they are not super reliable levels, but they are levels to watch, okay? So here, targeting, I'm currently just assuming the E wave might have started. It's of course, but we have 3 waves down. So technically the D wave could be finished. So I'm watching if the E wave has started, especially because Bitcoin seems to make a higher low there. So targeting 26,411 to 26,752. That's the ideal target range here for an E wave. Somewhere there. Maybe even hitting the trend line. The trend line of the triangle, that needs to be adjusted so that it goes directly here, sort of through that target range, depending on when it hits it. But let's assume it might hit it today, tomorrow, then it could hit that trend line at the 61.8 fib extension at 26,752. That's sort of at the moment what I'm watching for, plus the following parameters already highlighted to you here. 25,800. As you can see, just a little bit lower, and we've got a small head and shoulders pattern. And if that neckline breaks at 25,800, it could send us down directly. Or other levels to watch. Obviously, further confirmation is a break below these lows of the 22nd of August and 17th of August. So we talk here about round about 25,400. And if we talk about upside, a break above 27,720 would indicate that the overall low is already in. So, if we talk about the overall low is already in, we also need the ideal structure. We need 5 waves up, right? 5 waves up above resistance, then we can work with it. And then we can define a pullback zone for a 3rd wave. But at the moment, our base case is and remains that another low is happening. And so far, Bitcoin has been following that pathway for the last week or so, since we entered here this range in which Bitcoin currently, the price is currently moving. Just sideways consolidation, which is typical for a wave 4. So it just adds to the assumption that another low might happen. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.